Today we're going to be making the basic waffle. Whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a half a tablespoon of salt. In another bowl, mix together 2 large eggs, a 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1.5 cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I also like to add a little bit of cinnamon here, but that's a personal preference. Next, combine your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients. Make sure here not to over mix, just mix to combine. You're not going to want to mix too much. Once your ingredients are combined, your batter is done. Go ahead and spray some Pam on a preheated waffle maker, pour in your batter, and flip the waffle maker over. Now you'll see the steam. Once the steam is done, your waffle is done and your basic waffle is perfect.